Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm with my best friend Oweh.
Hello guys, today we are making elephant toothpaste.
So we have red food coloring, we have vinegar, we have an egg, we have a glass, and we also have baking powder, and we have blue food coloring.
So from the egg, we are gonna take out the egg white. So we are gonna take the egg white and pour it carefully in. Oopsie.
Now I'm going to put some red food coloring. Pour 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now I'm gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are gonna put the baking soda. Oops. Oopsie. I'm just talking enough with it. It's fine. Sorry,
Now we're gonna mix it.
now. Wait for it.
Now we're gonna pour vinegar. And what's the elephant toothpaste form? Oopsie.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. It's not really elephant. It looks like foam, but it's elephant toothpaste. It's raining elephant toothpaste, everybody. Woohoo! So that's the end of this video, guys. Bye!